At Kearns Junior High, we follow Kearns Cares. We show compassion, accountability, respect, effort, and success in all that we do. Today, we are focusing on the auditorium, and we will focus on how we can show that we care in assemblies or any event that is in the auditorium. Most assemblies in the auditorium are most likely with your advisory class. When your advisory teacher is ready to bring you to the auditorium, when it is assembly time, please leave all belongings, all electronics in the classroom, including food and drinks. And please walk with your advisory to the auditorium. This is how we show compassion, accountability, respect, and effort by sitting with your advisory, cleaning up after yourself, walking down the aisles to your assigned seat, keeping electronics and belongings, food and drink in any trash in the classroom or in trash bins, and trying to keep your feet off the seats and clapping appropriately, sitting up straight, and being polite and good listeners. Let's have a great year this year by showing that we have compassion, accountability, respect, and effort as Kearns Junior High Panthers. Go Panthers!